Regional Health Connectors are a new workforce in Colorado that connect gaps in the health system so that everyone has the same opportunity to be healthy in the community. The Regional Health Connector for the Southeast Colorado is Cassandra Rogers from the Otero County Health Department. Cassandra is trying to create collaboration and connections between different systems to help patients be taken care of and healthy. Here is an example of a doctor's visit where the systems are not well connected.
What can I help you with today?
I have type 2 diabetes.
Before prescribing you to any medication, I have some questions.
Okay.
Have you ever taken any illegal drugs?
No.
Have you drank more than 5 alcohol beverages in a week?
Yes.
Have you felt sad or depressed lately?
Yes.
Have you ever thought about suicide?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Okay, you can pick up your insulin at the nearest pharmacy. I have to go to another patient, but if you need anything, just give me a call.
Okay.
As you can see, the good doctor wanted to help her patient, but she didn't know where to send him. The Regional Health Connector, Cassandra, then meets with the good doctor about how she can become connected with community resources.
What should I do if I have a patient with a mental health concern?
Let me introduce you to the Southeast Group Mental Health Center. Together, we can work on a referral system.
What can I do to help a patient that has trouble managing their diabetes?
There's the diabetic educator. She does classes to help people be able to manage their own diabetes.
What do we do if one of my patients have a really bad addiction to some of the medicine?
There's an addiction treatment counselor.
After meeting with the Regional Health Connector to learn about local resources, this is how the doctor's appointment might go instead.
What can I help you with today?
I have type 2 diabetes.
What's going on that you can't keep taking your medicine?
I don't have a house to refrigerate my medication.
Oh, okay. I'll put that in your chart and I'll set you an appointment for housing authority if that's alright with you.
Yes.
Okay, before prescribing you any medication, I need to have questions for you. It might be a little personal though.
Okay.
Have you ever done any illegal drugs?
No.
Have you drank more than 5 alcohol beverages in a week?
Yes.
Have you felt sad or depressed for more than 5 days?
Yes.
Have you ever thought about suicide?
Once or twice I have.
I have a partnership with a mental health specialist, and I can call and get you an appointment if you would like me to for today.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thanks for coming in, Bob. If you need anything, let me know, because I'm not just here for any diabetes. Like, here for anything. So,
All right.
yeah.
Thank you.
Everyone has the opportunity to be healthy when systems work together.
If your organization is interested in getting involved in the community-wide changes, then contact Cassandra Rogers at 719-383-3048. Thank you for taking your time to watch our video and learn about the Regional Health Connector.